Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy Seabrook. I'm the CEO and founder of Learning from Nature. We're a micro-social enterprise based in Cooktown, but with a global reach. I chose to do a 2-day course with Kirsty and Susie because I'd heard very good things about what they were doing and the integrity that they brought to their training. And I had been producing videos and releasing them on YouTube, but really not getting the sort of traction that I would like in terms of my sales funnel and branding. And so it was an opportunity for me to have a team of women who've got a lot of expertise to have a look at what I was doing and help me develop ways to improve. Realizing that I didn't have enough of the human story in the videos, so becoming more human-centric, using props to tell the story and how to make video production easier so that it doesn't take up so much of my time and therefore it doesn't get done. So that's been a major part of the training, is looking at quicker ways to produce quality short videos. I'm going to start videoing with a mobile phone and just get into shorts a lot more. We looked at using a teleprompter, which is a great tool because I often get hung up with the script and the narration. For my field, which is ecological farming and gardening, you can tell so much more by having a video helping you to tell the story than without it. So it's a really important tool. If anybody considering to do it privately like I did, I would really recommend it because basically it's custom training specifically to meet your needs.